It's the second day of meteorological fall for the Concho Valley and the Big Country. It was a warm one though, and still sitting in the 80s. It's 83 degrees right now at St. Angelo Mathis Airport. Looking on our St. Angelo sky tracker in downtown, not a cloud to be seen across the area. We did see a couple of passing showers east of St. Angelo and southeast of Abilene, around places like Coleman and Brownwood. Really didn't amount to a whole lot, maybe a couple hundredths of an inch. And even that has dissipated, and I expect us to remain dry through the remainder of the work week. This weekend though, into next week, that's when we'll start to see a change in the weather pattern, and it's thanks to this Tropical Storm Lorena. It has increased a little bit in strength since our 6 p.m. newscast, with max sustained winds of 65 miles an hour. So it's a tropical storm still. It is expected to intensify up to a Category 2 hurricane before weakening, before making landfall in Baja California, and eventually into western Mexico. And while I'm not expecting a direct impact to us in west central Texas, I do think it's going to send us some rain. Not for a while though. Wednesday looks dry, will be dry overnight. Dry overnight Wednesday into Thursday. Thursday is going to be hot. I'm expecting high temperatures to be flirting with 100, especially in the Big Country. Changes on the way though. Friday, a cold front's going to be making its way through Oklahoma. And late Friday night into early Saturday morning, it's going to sag into the Big Country. And we'll really have to be watching Lorena over in Mexico, how much of that moisture is able to interact with the cold front. I do have scattered showers and thunderstorms in my forecast Sunday into Monday. And we'll continue to be monitoring that moisture as it makes its way potentially into the Concho Valley and the Big Country. Not a concern tonight. It will just be warm tonight, 82 degrees right now in Brady. We had a really weak front move through the area today, and that's why we're seeing those winds out of the north, bringing us dry air. Feeling not bad, so if you need to mow your grass, Wednesday morning going to be a great time to do it. We'll be in the 60s. About 66 degrees, 8 o'clock in the morning. They always say you don't want to mow the grass before the sun rises because, let's be honest, nobody likes hearing the sound of a lawnmower too early in the morning. About 72 degrees by 9 o'clock in the morning. If you're going out to grill Wednesday afternoon, it'll be hot, but not record-breaking heat by any stretch of the word. We will be in the low 90s, about 93 degrees, 5 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. 91 degrees by the 7 o'clock hour, and we'll be in the mid-80s by this time tomorrow. I'm officially forecasting a high of 94 for your Wednesday, with those winds out of the northeast about 5 miles an hour. 98 for your Friday, and 100 degrees I'm forecasting in Abilene. So definitely going to be hot to end the work week before that cold front interacts with some potential moisture from Tropical Storm Lorena. Keeping an eye on it. We all look to be seeing the temperatures in the upper 80s and lower 90s though. You can always find the full forecast online and the latest on social media. Bert?
On weather.